Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to move the Windows 11 taskbar to the top of the screen instead of the bottom. As you probably know, you can't move it by dragging it like in Windows 10, and there's no built-in option in the taskbar settings to do that either. So we'll be using a free tool called Windhawk to move it to the top. Open your browser and search for Windhawk. Click on the first link, then click the download button and save it to your computer. Double-click the .exe file to start the installation and follow the on-screen instructions to complete it. Once Windhawk is installed, open the program. On the home page, you'll see what's installed along with some featured mods. To find the Taskbar mod, go to Explore, and in the search box, type Taskbar on top for Windows 11. When it appears, click Details, then Install. After installation, you'll see an option to enable or disable the mod. Right now, it's disabled, which means the taskbar is at the bottom. Click Enable, and your taskbar will instantly move to the top of the screen. When you click the Start button, it still pops up from the bottom, which is normal, since you don't want the menu opening upside down. Your programs will now open from the top, and all right-click and search options will still work as usual. If you ever want to move it back to the bottom, just open the same mod settings and click Disable or switch it to bottom without uninstalling. You can also remove the mod completely if you don't want it anymore. Once again, just install Windhawk, search for Taskbar on top for Windows 11, install it, enable it, and you're good to go. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.